Good morning, everyone. Myself, Janardhan. Welcome to Kila Edition. Today, I am going to discuss about definition and concept of international law. So, in this session, we are discussing about meaning and definitions of international law. How international law is defined by various jurists. So, according to them, I am going to discuss about these things today. Let's start our class. International law. It also has same meaning of that law of nations. So law of nations and international law both are synonyms. International law, the expression international law first used by Jeremy Bentham in 1789, and various jurists defined international law in different ways. Under definitions of international law, the first definition is opinion definition. Coming to opinion definition, so opinion defined international law as follows: law of nations or international law is the name for the body of customary and conventional rules which are considered legally binding by civilized states in their intercourse with each other. So once again I am repeating the definition. So opinion defined law of nations or international law is a body of customary and conventional rules which are considered legally binding by civilized states in their intercourse with each other. This definition is also known as traditional definition. In this definition, opinion define international law as the law which regulates the relations between or among states. He is mainly consider the states. The rules and regulations are in between the states only he was considered. So that some are criticized this definition. So the criticism is he was ignored subject matters of international organizations and general principles of international organizations and individuals of the states. So this is the main criticism which was caused drawback to the opinion definition. So after opinion, the next definition of international law was given by G.J. Stark. So according to G.J. Stark, international law is defined as the body of law which is composed for its greater part of the principles and rules of conduct which states feels themselves bound to observe and therefore do commonly observe in their relations with each other, and which also includes rule of law relating to the functioning of international organizations, their relations each other and their relations with states and individuals, and rules relating to individuals and non-state entities so far as the rights and duties of such individuals and non-state entities are the concern of international community. So just before we discussed, opinion definition is also known as traditional definition. So this GJ Stark definition is called modern definition. Why it is called modern definitions? Because in the opinion definition, the drawbacks of opinion definition is opinion ignored individuals and non-state entities and international organizations. GJ Starks overcome that definition of opinion, he included international organizations, non-state entities, individuals of state, everything he was included in his definitions, so that it's called modern definition. So simply, according to GJ Stuck, the simply we can say that international law not only regulates the relation between states but also international organizations, individuals, non-state entities, etc. So, in opinion definition, international law regulates only between or among states, but according to GJ Stocks, international law regulates states as well as international organizations and individuals also. The next definition is Savajam Burger definition. According to this jurist, international law is the body of legal rules which apply between and such other entities as have been granted international personality. So already we seen that first two definitions, opinion and GJ Stock definition. If you observe that first definition, it was only considered states. The law regulates between the states. Next, coming to the GJ Stock, he included in the definition along with states, international organizations, non-state entities, and individuals. Now, in this definition, what is the main cause? If you observe the definition, so here in this definition, there is a body of legal rules which apply between and such other entities. Means where we can apply the rules of international regulation, that all entities are considered as international personality. So along with the states, non-state entities and individuals, everything, if anything is missed, all such entities are considered as an international personality. These are the main definitions of international law. Today in our session, we completed the definition of international law. So under the definition of international law, we observe opinion definition, Stark definition, and a Burger definition. So I was read out the definition as it is for better understanding. After read out the definition, I was given brief also. Simply opinion is a traditional definition and Stark is modern definition, and so Burger definition applies where international applies, all that will be granted as a international personality. So once we understand the definition, we can write ourselves in exam point of view. That scenario is different. So first we need to understand the concept. That is the main thing. So opinion is a traditional definition. According to him, international law is regulates among states, among the states and between the states. Next, Stark included all the state, non-state and international organization, everything. Next, Berger, everything where we applied international rules, all that will be considered as an international personality. Hope you understand the concept. And if you want to follow the book, the best author for international is S.K. Kapoor. So one is the recommended author. So you can purchase it, and if you want to give any feedback regarding this lecture, you can mention in comment box. Thank you.